Funnel A/B testing and optimization. So, you have built a funnel and it looks great. It works and you are finally driving traffic to it. But no one is converting. Or worse, it's inconsistent. Some days you get leads, some days it's dead. You are stuck wondering, is it the headline, the button color, the offer, the form length? And this is the curse of assumptions. Most funnel builders stop at launch. They never test, they never tweak, they never optimize. And as a result, they leave massive money on the table. Now, imagine this. You test two versions of your funnel side by side. You find out that version B converts 27% better. You double your leads just by changing one line of text. And you never have to guess again. You let data drive the decisions. And that's what A/B testing unlocks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up A/B tests in GoHighLevel and how to read the results like a pro. Plus, I'll walk you through the top elements to test, how long to run experiments, and what tools to use for tracking. Let's make your funnel smarter and not just prettier. Okay, so we'll go step by step through what to test, how to create A/B splits inside GoHighLevel, when to stop a test, how to choose a winner, and how to repeat the cycle for constant improvement. Step 1. We understand what to test. Now you don't need to change everything. Start with headline, the subheadline, the button text, the color of CT, the form length, the image or video thumbnail, testimonials included or not. Now, you have to choose one variable per test. So if you test multiple things at once, you won't know what caused the change. So the rule of A/B testing is one test is equal to one change. Now that you know this, let's find out how to set this up. Set up A/B testing in GoHighLevel. This is pretty easy and quick. Let's find it out. How do we do it? I come to my GoHighLevel tab and jump onto funnels, sites, okay, let's say this one. And if I go inside the funnel, you will see this very prominently: start, split, taste, test. And that is A/B test. So the moment I click on create a variation, it is going to create a variation for me and start running that test. Cool. I click on create a variation. I want to use an existing one or duplicate something else. What is this? Not this. Duplicates. And this would become the variation or the variant B. Okay, now right now these are exactly the same. Now in this variant B, I can make one change like we just discussed. Could be the headline, could be the CTA button, could be the color of the CTA button, could be the form length, could be the image or video thumbnail. You make one change to this and you click on start split test. 50% traffic to this and 50% traffic to this. Now what exactly happens is you don't have to worry about the URL. The URL remains the same. GoHighLevel sends 50% of the traffic who come to that URL over to variation A and 50% of the traffic goes to variant B. Now you have started running A/B testing. What next? You monitor the result. Wait until you have at least 100 to 200 visitors per variant before deciding. And GoHighLevel will show unique visitors per version, conversion percentage, number of, let's click on apply for now and click on OK. And you would see the fields that you are going to be able to track. So page views, so they call this one the control version and they call this one the variation. So page views, number of page views here and number of page views in the variation, number of opt-ins in control, number of opt-ins in variation, number of opt-ins rate, variation rate, sales rate, earnings per page view, earnings per page view. Now this is how you monitor the result. And don't end a test too early. Give it time to collect real data, especially if your daily traffic is low. Run a test for at least 7 days unless you have thousands of visitors per day. And once you have statistical confidence, example 95% probability, choose the winner. Click make winner inside GoHighLevel and it will automatically set that variant as your primary page. And then you again follow or repeat the optimization loop. So once you have found a winner, you don't stop. You create a new variation and test something else. For example, it could be the test one was maybe, okay, so the test one was headline. The winner was boost sales with automation. Now test button text. The winner could be start my free trial. Now test form layout and so on. Each change builds on the last, and this is how top marketers get 2x, 3x, 5x conversion rate, not through guesswork but through consistent testing. Okay. So if there's one thing to take away from this lesson, it's this: never assume what will work. Test everything. Funnels that convert like crazy are not born perfect. They are refined repeatedly, relentlessly. A/B testing isn't just for techies or billion-dollar brands. It's for you right now using the exact same tools inside GoHighLevel. So here is your mission. Pick one step in your funnel and one variable to test. Create a split variant today. Let traffic flow and observe. Make a decision based on data and repeat the cycle weekly or monthly. So this is how you stop guessing and start growing. Let's turn your traffic into revenue on autopilot. Okay.